Alright, this is my apartment in Japan. I figured I could give you a quick tour. It's not going to be much because it's an apartment in Japan. So I'm in the main doorway. Show you guys, my bags are still here. They're a little wet, so I didn't want to bring them into the room just yet. Japanese homes, you always take off your shoes in the entryway, so I made sure to do that. Got some storage space here. Bathroom is behind this door. It's a very cramped hallway. Like, you can see my bag takes up almost the entire hallway. But in here, toilet, hooray, good stuff. Bathroom, traditional Japanese bathroom. So like, you go in here, you bathe yourself, and then you come out here and rinse yourself off. That's how Japanese people bathe. So I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might just do it the old American way. Washing machine in here. No dryer though. I'm gonna have to dry my clothes outside. Fridge, kitchen. This is typical Japanese apartment, and then my bedroom. And that's all that's in here. I mean, that's seriously it. Yeah. So that's my apartment.